Hi, my name is Fabiola, and I'm a recycling coordinator with Athens Services. Thank you for joining Athens Academy and recycLA event series. Athens is the largest recycling and waste collection and processing company in the city of Los Angeles and the Los Angeles County. We are proud to service over 30 cities in Southern California, including the city of Los Angeles recycLA areas, West LA, North Central, and Harbor. Today, we will learn about zero waste bathroom swaps. I'm going to show you 6 swaps you can make in your own bathroom to reduce your waste. Let's get started. Toilet paper. Now, typically we go out and buy any kind of toilet paper because toilet paper is toilet paper. But one swap that you can make is switching over to recycled or plant-based toilet paper. Now, yes, it's going to end up in the landfills anyway because it is not recyclable. But in switching over to it, you've already reduced your waste footprint. Now, recycled and plant-based toilet paper typically come wrapped in paper packaging like this, which is recyclable afterwards, or it has no packaging at all. Now, if it's not readily available to you, that's okay. Just do your best to try and buy in bulk. That way you reduce your plastic consumption. Same thing goes for your hand soap. Consider swapping out your single-use plastic packaged hand soap containers for a bar of soap. Now, if the bar of soap is not for you, that's okay. Any container in your house that you can put a pump on works just as fine. Or better yet, if you have that plastic packaged one, just continue refilling it by purchasing the gallon option. In doing so, you're cutting down your plastic consumption as you're choosing to buy in bulk instead of individually plastic packaged containers. And as always, once you're done with the gallon one, just remember to recycle. Also, there are plenty of refill stations around the city of Los Angeles. To find the closest one to you, check out the link on the screen. Face rounds. Consider swapping out your single-use either face round or makeup wipe for a reusable one. Now, this is made out of cotton and can really just be upcycled from any old t-shirt or face towel that you have lying around, or you can purchase them already made like this one. Now, this is the cost-efficient alternative as it is reusable, whereas these are disposable and are intended to be disposed of after one-time use. They are also not recyclable, so you're really only aiding to landfill waste. So for best practice on these, you can use them, wash them, and hang them out to dry as soon as done. Or my best practice is once I'm done using it, I place this in this laundry bag and I throw it in the washer when I'm ready. Bath sponges. Consider swapping out your current bath sponge for a compostable one. A lot of these are made out of nylon or they have microplastics in them, which means they are not recyclable and you're really only contributing to landfill waste. However, the loofah actually comes from the loofah plant, which means it is compostable. So this is acceptable wherever plant matter is accepted, like your organic bin. So if you can make the switch, make sure to go with a compostable one. If not, just remember, this does not go in recycling. Razors. Consider swapping out from a plastic razor to a safety razor. This is a lot more durable. It can be reused as many times as necessary, and you're reducing your overall plastic consumption as there is no plastic contained in this. Whereas the plastic razor, there is plastic in there, it is not as durable, and it more than likely also came in plastic packaging. Another swap that you can make to reduce your plastic consumption is switching out your plastic package hair care for bars. Now, believe it or not, this is a shampoo and conditioner. Now, they're sold to you just like this with no packaging, or they come in a reusable cloth bag for storing your bars or when you're ready for more refills. Now, if this isn't the method for you, that's okay. You can still stick with your plastic package hair care products. Just try to go with the bigger one so it's less plastic that you're purchasing, and remember to recycle. As always, remember your best practice, having internal containers, one for recycling and one for trash. And remember your signage. Thank you for tuning into Zero Waste Bathroom Swaps. I hope this helps you reduce your waste in your bathroom. Stay up to date on all things Athens and follow us via @Athens on all social media accounts, including Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. As always, if you have any questions or want to suggest future topics, please make a comment below or send us a message. For more on the recycLA program, visit recycLA.com or call 311 for any service needs. Or visit la.athensservices.com for resources and outreach material. If you are serviced by Athens but in another city, go to athensservices.com and click on the tabs Residential or Business and select Choose My City for more info and to reach out to us. Thank you and see you next time.